We're going to take a quick look at the power of Facebook advertising and the importance that it can have in your business. I've pulled up solar panel installers in Denver, and we have Xfinity, we have ARE Solar, we have Namaste Solar are all buying ads. And in the Google Maps, we have Namaste buying an ad, ARE getting a organic maps listing, Namaste getting an organic listing, and Blue Raven Solar getting one. So who else is out there and what are they doing? Now, solar is something that it's not like a broken pipe where you need a plumber immediately. It's a choice that you make. And so that's something you can kind of push in front of people to see if they're interested or not. So we're going to look at Facebook and kind of see who's doing what. Now, Namaste, if you recall, has Google AdWords. They also have Google Maps purchased and Google Maps organic. So, and also if you look at their ads and info here on Facebook, they advertise on Facebook. So they've nailed the entire solar market from one end to the other. EcoMark Solar is another one. They have Facebook ads as well. But in general, most businesses are not using Facebook ads. Here's a good example. Photon Brothers, which I believe shows up somewhere on this page. I don't see it, but I believe it's in the first couple of pages. They do not have ads running. Ecology Solar, which was one we saw in those listings, no ads running. Golden Solar, no ads running. SunTalk Solar, no ads running. And so this is a wide open market to put your business in front of people to attract the sort of not immediate need for solar, but something you'd like to do. This video is being shot in 2019. This is the last year for the 30% tax credit. This is the year to sell solar. So we've probably reached out to you and said you're not running the Facebook pixel on your website, which means you're probably not winning Facebook ads on Facebook. We can help you out on this. We can also just look at your whole advertising agenda and see where your weaknesses are. Give us a call, go to the schedule link and schedule a call.